Increasing quiz completion rates on Outgrow might seem challenging at first, but with the right strategies, you can boost engagement and drive better results. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase quiz completion rates in Outgrow, step by step, so you can leverage this tool to its full potential. Stick around till the end, because I'll share an exclusive tip that could be a game changer for you. Outgrow is a powerful platform for creating interactive quizzes, assessments, and calculators. If you're new to it, don't worry. Outgrow is designed to make creating these experiences simple, but there are a few key tactics you need to implement to see significant results. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to understand is that engagement is the key to increasing completion rates. Quizzes that are engaging, visually appealing, and interactive will naturally encourage users to keep going until the end. A great way to make your quiz more engaging is by using progress bars. Outgrow allows you to add a visible progress bar to your quizzes, showing users how far they've come and how much is left. This small addition can work wonders because it gives users a sense of accomplishment as they move through the quiz, which keeps them motivated to finish it. Next, let's talk about personalization. One of the main strengths of Outgrow is its ability to create a personalized experience for the user. By tailoring questions based on previous answers, you can keep your users engaged and make the quiz feel more relevant to them. For example, if someone answers a specific way, you can adjust the next set of questions to better match their preferences. Outgrow offers conditional logic features, which allow you to customize your quiz journey for each user, and it's a fantastic way to keep people engaged all the way to the end. Another tactic that can greatly improve quiz completion rates is reducing friction. If you make the process too lengthy or complicated, users will drop off early. Keep your quiz questions concise and relevant. Avoid adding unnecessary steps that could overwhelm the user. You can also use Outgrow's option to allow users to skip certain questions that might not apply to them, making it feel less like a chore and more like a smooth experience. Timing is also crucial when it comes to increasing completion rates. Outgrow lets you set up quizzes with timed elements so you can control how long users spend on certain sections. However, don't overdo it. Offering users a bit of time pressure on certain questions can create a sense of urgency without making it feel like they're being rushed. And don't forget the design. Outgrow offers customizable templates and visual tools that allow you to make your quizzes visually attractive. When your quiz is visually appealing, it's far more likely that users will stick around longer. You want a clean, easy-to-navigate design that guides users through the process. Use bold colors and appealing images that complement your brand and draw attention to key elements like buttons or progress bars. Finally, after you've set everything up, test and optimize your quiz. Outgrow provides you with detailed analytics so you can see where users are dropping off. Use this data to refine your quizzes. Maybe the questions are too hard, or the timing is off. By analyzing how users interact with your quiz, you can make incremental adjustments to increase completion rates. One of the best things about Outgrow is that it's not just a tool for creating quizzes, but a full-fledged platform that helps you with lead generation and data collection, which is key for optimizing future quizzes. You can use these insights to improve the experience for future users and drive better results over time. As a bonus for watching till the end, I want to let you know that you can use Outgrow for free with our exclusive extended trial. Simply click the link below to get started and see how it can transform your quiz strategy. Don't forget, if you implement these tips effectively, you could see your quiz completion rates soar. So, to recap, use progress bars, personalize your quizzes with conditional logic, keep it simple, consider timing, focus on design, and always optimize with analytics. Outgrow has everything you need to increase quiz completion rates and take your interactive content to the next level. Try it out today and start seeing those results for yourself.